All right, this just came in the mail. Let's take a look. This is supposed to be the replacement. There's a lot more connectors on there. Screw it, let's try it. What's the worst that can happen? Oh, look, it's raining again. Big surprise. Okay. All right, here we go. Nope. All right. That didn't do it. It did not move the needle. I'm not sure if this is warm or not. We'll go back to the drawing board on that later. Hey folks, so it's a few days later. What am I looking for? I have an LMR box. Did I not bring it in? I didn't bring it in. I can swear I brought it in. There it is. Somebody brought it in, it wasn't me. Close this shit, because it's hot as balls out. A couple of things. I think my issue with the relay is more along the lines of grounding issue. I don't think I grounded the chassis harness completely. More on that in a little bit. For now, oh, check it out. New air deflector for under the radiator. It's a little different than the original one. New speedo cable. This is that hardware to replace the other hardware. That's a speed sensor cable. I think this is the speedometer gear I'm gonna need. A retaining clip. This is the hardware for this. This is the air deflector for the front. And then this is the hardware for the fog lights. That's the part that goes into the transmission. It's a beautiful blue. Don't really need this yet. This is what I wanted to look at next. So let's see what size these are and put the fog lights on the car. Quick note about these, I had these on the wrong side last week. What you're gonna wanna do is, you see there's a hole right here. Okay, right there where my thumb is. And then there's this hole over here. So these will line up like that. That bottom one is threaded already. And then this one you just have to, there's supposed to be a speed clip on it, and I don't really know where that is right now. So I'm just gonna put a bolt through that. Yeah, and then that's like that. And this piece bolts up underneath, I believe, and it goes like that. If I'm wrong, please let me know, and I will change it. That is solid. It started here. Get the speed clips for these, that would be ideal. If not, this works too. Perfectly solid. Yes, I think that's correct. The only thing is, I'm missing 2 bolts for the ends, which were supposed to come with this. So I'm gonna select the 2 best looking original bolts that I have and see if I can get those to work. These are 2 original bolts that came with it. They're in shit shape, so I will probably just get these all tightened up, and then eventually I'll take these out and clean them up again. Just these last 2. All right, that's pretty solid. I guess now it's time for some fog lights. This might be slightly temporary too, because I don't want these to get damaged, but I do want to kind of test them. So these go like this, up and down. I think right now I have it like that. So I'm gonna fix that. This will do. Better. That looks fantastic. plugged in. Oh yeah. Should we try to see if we can light them up? See what they look like? Let me go find the switch. All right, I found them, but it ain't pretty. I'm pretty sure this is like really old mouse junk. Let's clean these guys up. If I need to, LMR sells these. My switch is not melted, so that's always good. The tabs are still here. Yeah, all right, let's clean it up. We obviously can't put this and energize it while it's soaking wet like this. So what I might do is just jump out the two things here and just test that out. Looks like I got that one a little crooked, right? Let's fix that first. I had a short in this. This was like touching here and actually shorting out. So I'm going to, look at this. What is going on here? Look at this. You see these wires coming across here? This one's positive and that one's negative. Not good. All right, so we're gonna fix all this. We're gonna, well maybe just, we're gonna make it safe. Get rid of these wire nuts. All right, I don't know what this is too, but that can be left alone. First step. You know what you can do, once you do it like this, you can fold this over, put another one on top of it, and it'll completely weatherproof it. I think we'll be okay. I don't know what is going on with this ground over here. Okay, better. Much better. Regardless of what we do here, gotta fix this. Gotta fix the short. Cut here. For whatever reason, Ford decided this should be a red ground. I might just hit this with a multimeter to see if it's actually grounded. Continuity mode. We'll grab you. And we'll grab... Alright, so that is grounded, I think. Pretty sure. Ouch. Okay. We're pretty far from installing a stereo on this thing. Cut all this bullshit out here. And then just take this. I'm definitely not saying that this is going to fix all of our problems here. I don't know what this noise filter thing is. We're going to cut it out. Ouch. You guys probably can't see any of this shit either. My watch is like right in your face. I think we're good. Let's see, pull test, pull test. Not a good pull test, that is a fail. All right, let that cool. And now this should be safe. Much better. Look at it. Got these three: ground, power, and remote on and off. I don't know what that is. I guess that's power when the key is on. And I don't know what these are for, but I've capped them off as well. Yeah, cool. So let's carry on. One small addendum, I just cut off the, there was a wire tap here on this that I chopped off because this was exposed. I don't know what this is for, but better safe than sorry. I also capped these off. I don't know what those are for, but I want as few potential fire risks as possible in this thing. It occurred to me that I might also need the headlight harness hooked up. Okay. Alright, that's the dimmer. I should be seeing fogs go off. Alright, I'm back from lunch. Wanted to clean up a couple more of these things here. I want to clean this up and this, and then maybe Maybe we'll change these the light bulbs in here as well. Really what I should be cleaning up is this workbench. I mean, Jesus, look at this. Fox Life also mentioned that he updated these lights with some LEDs. I'm going to try doing that too. Yeah, here's the next thing. I have no idea about polarity on these. So I'm just going to put them in whichever way they want to go. And if they don't light up, we know what to do. Cool. 2 LEDs. I want to kind of plug this into the car and just see what happens. What do you think? It's yet another thing we have to work around, but let's try it. Now, how's this gonna go? It's gonna be over here somewhere. Just go wherever you want. Now I got the 417 Fox thingy that, there's that, and then there's that. Now I tested the motor. All right, ready? I don't know if I'm ready. I'm a little scared, honestly. All right, let's turn this off. Yeah, so I got the 417 Fox kit to push this down under here, and then the radio goes on top of that. Clearly we're not up to that yet, though. I still don't know what this yellow thing goes to. Alright, this is my wiper control module. Looks like it's seen some better days. Ugh. This is okay, but I'm gonna do this. I will cut this out like this, put this in line, and then loom all this stuff. So let's try and do that real quick. This harness here, and let's see what we can do about this. Don't quite need these so long. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do for today is to put this on, ear deflector. Yeah. Now, it's not the same plastic as the original one, but there's no reason why this won't work. Unless the holes just don't line up. It'd be pretty silly. Alright, well, that's on. What do you think? I don't know if I like it more than the original. I still have my original one. I could paint it and put it on, but it's a little scratched up. So I don't know. We'll see. As long as it's there, I think it's really important for deflecting the air up into the radiator. So I'll leave it for now. Found the bolts for this. Now I do have to clean these up because these are going to be eye level. just for now. I never completely finished all this stuff either. Alright, that looks ugly as hell, but it belongs there. Now, I don't know how I'm going to sneak an AC condenser in there, but I'm going to do it. I guess I'll put the things in the bottom, slide it down this way, and then come up. It has to go through there, too. Oh, well, we'll figure that out when we get to it. Alright, that's going to wrap this one up. I'm just kind of tired of working on this video. Yeah, we got a ton of progress made, but like, I can't really put my finger on what we did. I don't even know what we called this video. At any rate, drop me a like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Man, my legs are cramping up over here. Oh, it stinks. What the hell was living on this? Oh no! Oh, come on. It gave me 2 faults. Ouch! Hot, hot, hot. Super hot. Probably have to replace this, unless I just don't use the rear defroster. I don't know how they got so filthy, and I don't know how to clean them. What was I thinking? Or whomever worked on this? What were they thinking?